It was 2:30 a.m. in the morning in a tall high-rise building in Midtown Manhattan in New York City. I was all alone in a conference room. At that time, I was working with a prestigious consulting firm, and the next day there was a deadline for which I had to finish a presentation. At that time, the craving for sleep was so powerful that I felt like I could have almost collapsed on the floor and gone to sleep, had that been possible. In that moment, what would I not have given for just one wink of sleep? But I had to keep plodding. There was work to be done. In moments like that, what do you think goes through your head? Would one think about the brand or what people think about your job? Nope. The brand, reputation, salary, perks, or even how beautiful the office building is, none of those things matter at that time because this is external packaging. But inside that, there is this real thing. And at 2:30 a.m. in the morning, the only thing you will see is that real thing, the real substance of the job. And your mind and your brain will tell you, is it worth sacrificing your sleep for? Next time you think about a job or a career, keep this in mind. The world outside can only see the packaging, but you have to live the real thing which is inside. Don't forget that. Thank you for listening. I hope you found this interesting. And if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. And before you go, one more thing. Every week, I conduct online workshops on topics like meditation, focus, discipline, and just learning skills to help build a happy life. I will leave a link here. If you want, you can sign up, and I hope to see you there. And thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you soon again in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.